Woke up this morning, found a letter that she wrote. She says she's tired, that I'm always on the road. 'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey guys, I'm back. I've been gone for a little bit, but I'm back. Welcome to my channel. For those who are new, I am Gabrielle, and today's video, of course, is going to be about my hair. This wig that I have on, it is from Beauty for Hair. Not me acting like I can't talk. It is from Beauty Forever Hair Company. Playlist is at the top. Details that I'm about to mention and that I am about to forget to mention, it's gonna be down in the description box, so make sure you guys check there. But this, like I said, is from Beauty Forever Hair Company. This is a VPART wig, super convenient. You don't need no glue, no hairspray. You don't need anything to install this wig. It comes with adjustable straps, comes with clips. You guys are gonna see in about a second or two how the inside of this wig is constructed. It is very straight to the point, okay? You throw it on, you clip it, you finger comb, whatever you want to do, twist it up, and then you're done. Okay, so it is very beginner friendly. I was trying out VPART wigs when I had very short hair and I was still able to do like half up hairdos and stuff like that. So if your hair is shorter than mine, it's still a wig that can be an option for you. But now that my hair is longer, I will say it is very, very easy to do styles with this type of wig. So yeah, the longer your hair, the easier it's going to be. It is. It's okay. It's not impossible. If you have short hair, it's just easier with longer hair. So let's get into what I did to my natural hair. So I put heat on it, and I was like iffy about that because I'm a curly hair girl now, okay? I know I haven't been showing that on my channel. I don't know if that's something y'all want to see, but insert picture here. So yeah, I normally, if I'm not filming or if I'm not like on an average day, my curls is gonna be rocking, my natural curls, okay? So where was I getting to? Oh yeah, so I didn't want to put heat on it. I was iffy because of my natural curls. So I fell into the heat and I did it, and then I realized I'm at my mother's house and I do not have my little tiny wand curl or curling iron, so I had to twist it. So this is what it's looking like. I put my little clips in it and I feel like it's super cute. So it's a very easy hairstyle. When in doubt, twist it or braid it up, okay? So yeah, this is gonna be a really short video because it's really self-explanatory. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in my next one. Bye. Oh wait, guys. Literally, you can tell that I have not been filming for a minute because I forgot to tell you the details. So it's 24 inches. I believe it's 150% density. This is their curly texture, and as you can tell, it's a blonde highlight wig. So there we go. So everything else is going to be in the description box. So now I'm about to be out. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.
Woke up this morning, found a letter that she wrote. She says she's tired, that I'm always on the road. Too hard to swallow, being alone. She needs someone tonight.